example of how I use Voyager to collect targets for imaging. I can do this either on my main machine here or on an iPad or a laptop. It's a nice, convenient way to not miss any targets that are coming up in the next season or next year if you may have missed them already. This is an example that I'm just going to go through an example workflow. In this case, I want to add Vandenberg 152 to my database so that I can recall it later for sequencing. In this case, I like this image a lot. I've already imaged it for demo purposes. We'll run through this exercise. So we want Vandenberg 152. What we do is go into Voyager, connect to the system, and in the virtual field of view, we want to select Vandenberg 152, and it quickly recalls that. And one nice thing, among other things, one nice thing about this field of view in particular is that you can increase the image lightness, so you can really push it to see what kind of faint dust is in the area. Maybe we want to capture this as well, but I think that this would be good framing for this. And if we want to save this framing, we go to RoboClip, pull the data from the virtual field of view, add a target name, add it to my group, which is my wide field imaging rig here, and then add the data that we want to collect. So LRGB and H alpha is what I would like to add for this. So we save it, and it's saved now in the database. And if I go over to Voyager, I can pull that now from the database. So I can pull it. It pulls the RA and DEC. If I want to create a sequence, RoboClip, pull that, and now that's in a sequence file as well, and I can edit this as needed. Yeah, so that's an example of how I use Voyager to keep track of targets and to keep organized with all of my targets that I want to image for a season. Thanks.